Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Lymorexan RV Toilet Flush Pedal. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Compatibility. This RV toilet foot pedal is designed for Dometic 300, 310, 320, 321 series toilets and is perfectly compatible with a variety for Dometic toilet models. Whether the original pedal is aging or damaged and needs to be replaced, this product can perfectly solve it. Patent pending. Precision manufacturing. The toilet pedal replacement parts are finely processed to avoid the gap problems that may occur in traditional manufacturing. The one-piece design using PETG material not only improves the overall strength and stability, but also enhances the durability of the product, ensuring that it can maintain excellent performance for a long time. Installation. Compared with the original toilet pedal part, our installation is very simple, and you only need a screwdriver. Note, this part does not come with new springs or screws. You can use the original screws and springs for replacement. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.